Where is it, buddy? Where is it? That's not it. That's a cookie. That's a bunch of stuff that came out of my face. I don't know where it is. What happened to it? You eat it already? Oh, is it in there? Did you find it? You found it. You found it. You're silly kitty. There's nothing else in there, buddy.
Captain's personal log. Started 517. 517.
There's nothing else in there, buddy. Let's watch some Star Trek, huh?
What date is it?
Stardate 51721.3.
It's only been 2 weeks. I need to talk about this. I have to justify what's happened, what I've done, at least to myself. I can't talk to anyone else.